Hi everyone, how's everyone doing today? Hopefully everyone's doing well. So today I decided to stay at home even when I really wanted to go out. As I said before, once I go out, I really just want to keep going out. And the problem is if I stay home, I would just like to stay home. But I have to do things at home. So today I want to talk about my washing machine. It's dying and it's loud. It's dying very loudly, meaning like I think something came off on the inside on the barrel. So it's a front loader. So it's have that wheel barrel, and I think about maybe a few months ago something came off on the inside, and it becomes very loud now. It becomes very loud. And yesterday I tried to wash this beddings on my couch. I'm using like mattress protector on my couch, and additional like cushioning so that it's soft, so it feels soft. Anyway, I tried to wash it yesterday, and the washing machine basically walked out of its place because it was not able to handle the load. And now every time I load my washing machine, I have to brace my heart because it is so loud. It's making noises from hell, and I feel afraid every time I want to use it. And now I know I basically just spent a whole minute or 2 minutes just complaining about my washing machine. But this is what adulthood looks like. Adulthood looks like, I don't know, maybe it's not what adulthood looks like. But adulthood looks like, oh, is another appliance going breaking down again? I need to spend money on that again. Do I have the money to change that? To replace that machine, that appliance? Oh, is something wrong? It's always like trying to not get yourself into this rabbit hole of extreme worst case scenario. And I'm trying not to get to the worst case scenario, but laundry used to be my favorite chore because I like the smell, how it smells when it comes out from the dryer. And and I enjoy having multiple loads of laundry, like, but when I'm by myself. I'm not talking when I have to do laundry for other people. I don't like that either. So but now it's becoming fret with anticipation and anxiety. Every time I put a load in, it's like, oh, what's gonna happen now? Is this the time that the washing machine is gonna die on me? Oh, is the washing machine is gonna do something? Like, I'm just afraid. This is my adulthood. I really wish right now actually for I don't know if having a partner or having a friend will change anything, but I do feel, I think maybe up until a month ago, 2 months ago, I felt disabled. I think that was for the first time in my life. I really felt like, oh my god, I do have a disability, and it felt like a disability. The word disabled popped into my head. But it wasn't until recently where I would start kind of just being a bit addicted to TikTok that I was reminded again of my autistic traits and autistic self. And I realized, yeah, this makes sense. I am disabled. I am having these problems not because I'm sick, but there are a lot of areas in my life that I'm not able to access it in my brain. Being autistic means forming a relationship is very hard because there's a lot of rules, unwritten rules in uh, friendship, relationship. even with the people that you care about, with the family members that you grew up in, they would have very huge difficulty talking about things to you, and also talking to you just in general, because you don't think the same way. The brain is very different. For normal people, I think it's very straightforward. Washing machine broken, how much money do I have? Can I replace that? And if I can, I will do that immediately, because it's not worth having anxiety just because of that. There is a problem, or if they decided, well, we can't afford it right now, so we just have to deal with this until it's no longer there. I don't know, I feel like the things that makes me anxious is not the thing that make normal people anxious. The thing that make me anxious are things like this. Things that makes normal people anxious is like being hated. That's what makes people anxious. I think normal people don't like being hated, don't like being unliked or disliked. I mean, I don't like it either, but if it doesn't bother me as much, especially if I don't know them, especially if they're strangers. I mean, why would you care if people you don't know don't like you? Yeah. Maybe it has something to do with the fact that I have high attachment to machines and things, and when they fail me, I feel betrayed. Uh, I mean, like, have I gone too far? Have I gone too far in thinking that machine is much more important than people? Anyway, enough rambling for today. So that's my concern, my anxiety for the day. I feel like adulthood is just a series of anxiety after anxiety. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys have a great day. Bye.